Hey, it's Robb Colley with eXp Realty. We are actually at 2863 Porter Avenue in Mobile. It's been renovated and converted to a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Got new decks on the front. Got the flag that we like. Trim work was done in black. They painted vinyl. I don't know how long that's going to last. It doesn't really look that good just because it makes it look like it's sagging in several places. But here's the backyard. They did a deck back here as well. You know, it was advertised as midtown, but this is not actually midtown. It does have a park across the street. Some of the areas that you had to pass to get in here aren't the best. So let's go check out the inside. We got this one under contract for $185. All right, here's the inside. You know, recessed lighting. You know, knock down walls. We'll have to put a fridge in. There's several spots that's going to need to be touched up and addressed. But it looks like there's some sagging. You can tell with the trim. You know, the floors were redone. We're gonna go this way first. We got a bedroom to the left. No fan, new windows. The laundry room was here. Seems like there might be a few soft spots or some roughness in the floor we'll have to check out. We're gonna crunch some more numbers on this one. We might either drop it or ask for a price reduction right off the bat to make sure see if this even works. They bought it pretty cheap. They did a lot of work to it, but they didn't do $150,000 worth of work to it. This bedroom is long. Plenty of windows. Biggest fallback on this one I'm seeing is that 4 bedrooms and all this conversion, they did not put the second bathroom in any of the bedrooms, so both bathrooms are in common areas.